receive to the trainer, Escosura. Nice pass. And Leonard, this finish. Malabon looking for the mismatch. And he does. Looking for Lipusa. Now to Palabos. And a one-ping Jabon. Pressuring. 2-on-1. It's Bunkin. To finish the play for Barangay Nita. Lipusa. Naiwan si Escosura. And an easy pocket yun. Roquino over Jabon. The mid-range friendly bounce. Layup, no, another one. Another put back. Second chance. It's a transition again. Paya lays it in. Nice big and roll. Pero may clutch pa doon si Lawas. The third shot na ginagawa. Paya. Fall away. Off the glass. Same result for Jabon. And Bunkin with a transition layup. Bunkin back to Mosso. Mosso creating space and he gets the 2 points. Swipe from behind. Pabasada make it sure. Bunkin on the pick. Lawas fakes. Lawas slow down. Pero stolen outlet to Palabos. Layups good. 3 seconds. Hernandez drop in the corner picks. Second tries good. Escosura to Palabos. Lipusan losing 2 defenders. And a trail is Leonard. Arceo to Palabos. Mangahis for 3. Yes, Mangahis 3. Arceo to the trainer, Escosura. Leonard lost for team. Alley play back. Inside si Escosura, pero may trail pa rin. Alley na. May kasalong foul. But still on the ball is Arceo. Tyler Lipusan, how we doing? And 2 points for you guys. Escosura looking for a quick back to Leonard. Leonard for 3. Leonard 3. Marking the halfway mark. 5 minutes. Bunkin cannot reply. Pero nandun si Kagais. On the side. Pabasada pass to Leonard. Nice gather by Escosura. Lawas to Bunkin. Pabasada, bullet pass, turn around. 16-point lead for Sinahan.
Pahinga muna, pahinga.
Leonard Hesse lays it up though. Kagais on the board. Under 1 minute on the last quarter. Mangahis lays it up and in.